Familiarize yourself with the 2014 BMW 3 Series. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.